yega. Mene, obaahe boni aheɔ ni ye Makola jara no ye gamli. In this lesson, we will look at some expressions for shopping at the Makola Market in Ghana. Ofe klalo alo, what iko? Na wie moi kuli ikome. Here's some vocabulary for the lesson. Hey, to buy or to get. Example, mahe, I will buy. Obaahe, you will buy. Sell. Example, aheɔ, she sells. Ofaine, you sell. Enye, how much? Example, enye ni, how much is it? Jara, market, price. Example, jara wa, the price is high. Makola jara no, the Makola Market. Negbe aheɔ aduawai ye. Negbe aheɔ aduawai ye. Where do they sell fruits? Where are fruits sold? Negbe aheɔ aduawai ye. Aheɔ aduawai ye Makola jara leno. Aheɔ aduawai ye Makola jara leno. They sell fruits and vegetables at the Makola Market. Fruits are sold at the Makola Market. Namoho aduawai ne. Namoho aduawai ne. Who is selling these fruits and vegetables? Ofaine mahe. Ofaine mahe. I will purchase an item, please. I need to buy something, please. Ofaine mahe. Meni obaahe. Meni obaahe. What will you buy? What do you wish to buy? Meni obaahe. Mahe sabolai sidi nyumai enyo. I will buy 20 cedis worth of onions. Mahe sabolai sidi nyumai enyo. Ohe ameo ne iko. Won't you buy some of these tomatoes? Ohe ameo ne iko. Enye aheɔ ene. How much does this cost? Enye aheɔ ene. How much is this item? Jara wachon. The price is too high. It is too expensive. Jara wachon. Enye ni obaahe. How much will you buy? Enye ni obaahe. How many will you purchase? Ani ohon shito. Ani ohon shito. Do you sell peppers? Ani ohon shito. He, mi hon shitoi srotoi. Yes, I sell all sorts of peppers. He, mi hon shitoi srotoi. Ofaine ni oche no fio. Kindly give me a discount. Please reduce the price. Ofaine ni oche no fio. Ofaine ene ache no. Sorry, there will be no reduction on this. Ofaine ene ache no. Ani oye omo kotoku bibio. Do you have a small bag of rice? Ani oye omo kotoku bibio. Ofaine womli fio. Kindly include a bonus. Please give me extra. Ofaine, woman fio. Ofaine, dime mommy say. Please give me my change. Ofaine, dime mommy say. Atade ne, jara nie. How much does this shirt cost? What is the price of this outfit? Atade ne, jara nie. Na riemo ni wakase. Jara. Jara no. Mahe ni. Mintao ni mahe. Enye ni. Fio. Woman fio. Cheno fio. Efa. Bibio. Daimo mi se. Se daimo. Oyi waladon. Oyi waladon. Shida Afroliteracy's Foundation. Kepixabay.com. Kefie slama woye www.afroliteracies.net. Shida akpele huaha Ernest Tete ke Elizabeth Ajete nyeyi waladon. Bohun obanyo ke. Bohun obanyo ke. Biane esho no. Mariega.